Hello everyone, today we are going to see on that Oracle SQL interview question series on scenario based question. This question it is asked by one of our subscriber through the mail. So if you have any questions or doubt in Oracle SQL or IACS, please post the comment or you can send to that mail shobatechlearning@gmail.com. Okay. Now see here we have the two tables. Okay. EMP table and the salary table it is present. Based on this two table, we need to get that output, this table format we need to get it, okay. Our scenario it is, we need to get that second highest salary, okay, second highest total salary we need to get it, okay. Now, see in this first table, we have that EMP ID 1, 2, 3 it is present. In this second table salary, EMP ID it is present 3 times, okay. ID 1 it is present 3 times and ID 2 it is present 3 times as well as ID 3 it is present 3 times it is presented, okay. Now just comparing that ID 1, okay, rows only. Here we have the 3 total salary it is present. Based on this, you can get to know that 1100 it is second highest salary, okay. And if you compare in that ID 2, okay, these 3 salary, you can get to know that 1255 it is second highest salary, okay. Just compare it because we have the 3 row it is in that ID 2, okay. 1250, 1270, 1255, okay. Here our first highest salary for ID 2 it is 1270 and second it is 1255. This only we need to get that output, okay. And in the third ID, okay, ID 3, our second highest salary it is 1620, okay. So this only we need to get it, okay. And first for this question, okay, we need to join in the two table, EMP and salary table we need to join. After that we can get the second highest salary, we can get it, okay. Now we'll see practically how we can do that, the scenario based question getting the second highest salaries, okay. Now see here, have created the two table, okay, EMP table as well as salary table have created, okay, and I inserted the values in the two table. And please check the description, have given the insert and a create table statement. So based on that you can practice for the today's scenario based question, okay. Now first we can make the joining of the two table, okay. Before that, first we should check that in our output what are the column it is present. Here we have only 3 column only it is present, okay. First column it is name and second column it is month and third column it is total salary, okay. From here we are going to join in the two tables. First table it is EMP join and second it is salary table, okay. Now we want to give the condition here, okay. First table we are taking that ID column because based on this ID column only we are going to combine the two tables, okay. Salary.id, okay. Why here I am taking means EMP means from this EMP table we are going to take that ID column and from the salary table we are going to take that ID column, okay. Now select the statement and run it. Now see here the data it is combined, okay, in that one table format. Based on this we can get that highest salary, okay, with help of analytical function. Select a name, month and total sal, okay. Here I am going to write that analytical function, okay, in that inner query part, okay. Now see here, have written that select statement. After that I am getting the 3 columns, okay, and one more column I am giving here, okay, R column I am giving. you can get to know that why I created this OR column. Okay. Now we can write that inner query. In this inner query only we are going to write that analytical function. Okay. Select first take that name and month and total sal, that is column name. Next take the dense rank here. You can take the rank also to get that highest salaries. Okay. Over order by salary. Okay. Order by total sal. Total sal. Here we are making that order by in the form of descending order. Okay. Now have created this or no this column. Okay. Because of this alias only we have created R here. Okay. Now give the table name from EMP. After that we are taking that second table, it is salary. Okay. Now give the condition on emp.id equal to salary.id. Okay. Now close the statement and run it. Now you can get to know that why we have given OR here. Okay. 1640 it is present in that 1. Okay, that is highest salary. Second highest salary it is 2 and third it is 1610 and fourth it is 1270, like that it is presented. Okay, but we need to find based on this the grouping of the columns, that is grouping of this rows. Okay, DEF. From this we need to get that second highest salary. From the CBD we need to get the second highest salary, and ABC we need to get the second highest salary. Okay. So for that we can make the group. Okay. Now just copy this above the statement. Okay. Now paste it down. Okay. Now see here. Here we want to write the partition. Okay. Partition by name. Okay. You want to write the partition because partition in the sense you are grouping the name. Okay. Grouping the name. Then you are making the order by the salaries. That is total salary you are making order. Now select the statement and run it. Now see here, based on this group, okay, name, you can get that the rank, okay, from ABC. What is our second highest salary? 1100, it is second highest salary. From the CBD, our second highest salary it is 21255. Okay, 1255 it is second highest salary. And name DEF. Okay, the second highest salary it is 1620, it is second highest salary. Okay. Now we need to take that what are the datas, okay, present in that rank 2, that rank only we need to get it. Okay. Okay. Now for that just we want to make the some changes in this above the statement. Copy the statement above and paste it down. Here we need to write our condition where, okay, R equal to 2. That is we are telling that I need to get that what are the data present in the second. Okay, that data is only I need to get it rank 2. Okay. Now select the statement and run it. Now see here we got that exact result what we done in this above. Okay, we got that exact result based on our output. Okay. So first what we want to do, first we want to make the joining of the two tables. The second statement here have used that analytical function, dense rank have used, okay, over order by total sal DES. That is we are going to make that order by class in the form of descending order. Okay. Now we got the rank, okay, for the total salary, but we need to find for each of the group. Okay, for DEF group what is the second highest salary, for CBD group what is the second highest salary, as well as for ABC group what is the second highest salary. That's the reason in the next step I have make that partition keyword. Okay, partition by name. If you are making the partition by name, we can get that group of the data, okay, in the form of highest salaries. From the ABC, what is our first highest salary? It is 1120, and second highest salary it is 1100, okay, like that. From CBD, what is our first highest salary? 1270, okay. Second highest salary for CBD it is 1255, like that we can find it, okay. After that, from this data we need to get that second highest salaries only, okay. From ABC, second highest salary, from CBD, second highest salary, and DEF, second highest salary. That's the reason here have used the condition where R equal to 2. Okay, if you are making R equal to 2 here, okay, so you can get that second highest salary only. Okay, so based on that we can write that query for that. Okay, thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it and like it. Okay, if you have any questions or doubt, you can post a comment or you can do that mail through the shobhatechlearning@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.